Hello guys, today I'll show you how to use mods on Baldur's Gate 3 using the bg3 mode manager. Firstly, you need to make sure that the game is updated and you have backed up files. And also create a separate saves for your story mode. Firstly, start Baldur's Gate 3 once to create necessary profile and mod folders. Ensure you have net firmware to the latest version installed on your PC. Visit the dedicated bg3 mod manager website and download the file. When it's done, extract the downloaded files and run the mod manager. It should auto-detect your game and mod folder paths. If not, just press Ctrl+P to set them manually. Now, download and install the mod fixer to ensure compatibility. To download mods, you can download them from Nexus Mods. Extract and copy the pkg file to users updata local Larian Studios Baldur's Gate 3/mods. Now all you have to do is refresh in the bg3 mod manager to list a new mod and drag the mod to active pane. Adjust the load order based on the mod's author's instructions and press Ctrl+S to save the load order. Click Launch Game from the mod manager to use Ctrl+Shift+G. Click on Export Order to Game to ensure the load order is applied correctly. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.